now and I'll show you guys guys, this is the red that I caught. Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to another video. I did not vlog.
Whispering her ear, dreams and lullabies, wipe away the tear under moonlit skies. And time flies so fast, memories hold tight, wishing they'd last in tomorrow's light. And I say, oh, oh, my little girl, oh, 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 she's my world, oh, 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 hearts unfurled, hearts unfurled.
Guys, I didn't manage to take a picture of my sister's nails. I was going to insert it, but I'll try to ask her to get a picture for me. And then she had a really a colorful inspo, and she just wanted something plain but colorful. And we had orange, we had yellow, we had pink and lemon green to do her nails, and they turned out really pretty. I was running late, so I couldn't take a picture for her, but yeah, we're gonna make that plan and I can insert it for you guys there. So I just finished cleaning up my place, and I made every way to look good and clean and satisfying, so that anybody that comes here can enjoy and see that okay, they're in a clean space that is safe as well. So yeah guys, right now I'll just close here and then find my way back to it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go prepare myself to study. And guys, I forgot to show you my installation yesterday. I don't know, I'll insert another picture, but let me just give you guys a sneak peek of how I was looking. Hopefully this thing doesn't come out like a hot mess, but let me try. There's no harm in trying. Obviously my edges are looking like only God knows what, but actually it was not bad. Hey guys, I cannot show you now. It's not looking proper, but it's not looking proper, but it's not also bad. I just had this, and I had my white band over here. I don't know if you guys can see it because the sun is on my face, but I'll insert a picture for you guys and then you guys can see it properly. But this was my installation was top notch. It was literally top notch. Like, I enjoyed every bit of my installation yesterday. Yeah guys, I'm talking too much right now, so let's move straight.
Baby girl, you don't really know, you don't really know. When I say baby girl, change your name to show, you don't really know, run to go your baby.
So guys, I just wanted to mention something to you guys. This place, as you can see, it's a zinc house. It's obviously in these zinc houses there could be like rats and a lot of other insects in this space of mine, but I just tried to cover it up and everything. And I don't know guys if I should show you guys this, but I normally put some rat books. It's a glue that people use to catch the rats in such houses, the zinc houses. So I just caught one rat, and right now I'm going to take it out. Hopefully I'm not scared to take it out, but I'm going to take it out right now and I'll show you guys. Yeah, I'll show you guys. Let me show you. So guys, this is the rat that I caught, and look, I think this is the fourth rat that I've been catching. Yeah, in this little space that I have, I cannot now start dealing with rats everywhere, so I had to make a plan. Yeah, I caught rats. And I'm gonna control it outside right now.
Ding ding, like a dazzling entrance. Tonight you are electric, you're a beautiful and pretty princess. You don't have any worries. You are a bright and shining sun. Smile with me, have a wonderful moon. Like the sky, like clouds in the sky. Promise me that you will always be so compelled. Leaning on to love me, like the love after the sound is me.